ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ እንደተለመደው በሌላ ጥያቄ መጥተናል። የዛሬው ጥያቄያችን የሚሆነው ኢመርጂንግ ፋይናል ኤግዛም ፍሮም ዲፈረንት ዩኒቨርሲቲ ነው። ከተለያዩ ዩኒቨርሲቲዎች የተውጣጡ የኢመርጂንግ ጥያቄዎችን ይዘንላችሁ መጥተናል። ለቻናል ዲስኮናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ መደረጉ እንዳይረሳ። ያላችሁ ማንኛውም አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ራይት ዳውን አድርጉልኝ። እንዲሁም ይሄ ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ በላይክ አንበሽብሹን እንላለን። ቀጥታ ወደ ቪዲዮ እንሄዳለን። ሌትስ ስታርት ኢት። የመጀመሪያው ፓርት የሚሆነው ትሩ ፎልስ ነው። ትሩ ፎልስ ከሰባት ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ራይት ዳውን ታደርጉላላችሁ። ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ እንሄዳለን። The first one question is virtual reality uses an existing environment and overlay new information on top of it. Virtual reality uses an existing environment and overlay new information on top of it. The answer will be ፎልስ ነው አይደለ? ያ ቨርቹዋል ሪያሊቲ ሪል የሆነውን ወይ ኤግዚስቲንግ የሆነውን ሳይሆን ጀስት ቪዥዋላይዝድ የሆነውን ነው የሚያሳየው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ ሰልፍ ድራይቪንግ ካር አር ዋን ኦፍ ዘ ቤስት ኤግዛምፕል ኦፍ ሊሚትድ ሚሞሪ ሲስተም። ሰልፍ ድራይቪንግ ካር አር ዋን ኦፍ ዘ ቤስት ኤግዛምፕልስ ኦፍ ሊሚትድ ሚሞሪ ሲስተምስ። ዋት ኢዝ ዘ አንሰር? ያው ሰልፍ ድራይቪንግ ራሳቸው የሚሄዱ መኪናዎች ሜይ ቢ ፊልም ላይ አይታችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል። ኦልሬዲ አሁን ወደ ገበያው ራሱ የተቀላቀሉ ናቸው እና ዋን ኦፍ ዘ ቤስት ኤግዛምፕል ኦፍ ሊሚትድ ሚሞሪ ሲስተም ይላል። ዋት ዊል ቢ ዘ አንሰር? ዘ አንሰር ዊል ቢ ፎልስ። ሊሚትድ ሚሞሪ አይደለም። ሊሚትድ ሚሞሪ የሚለው የጥያቄውን ፎልስ ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ኤአይኦቲ The application layer is to identify any phenomena in the device peripheral and obtain data from the real world. So answer will be false. Aratanya. Cloud computing is the general term that describes the delivery of on-demand service through internet. Cloud computer is general term that describes the delivery of on-demand service through internet. The answer will be true. አምስተኛ in domain specific experts level of AI, the machine is trained on the knowledge and experiencing of the best humans. In domain specific experts levels of AI, the machine is trained on the knowledge and experience of the best humans. The answer will be true. ስድስተኛ communication can be intercepted or delivered to other recipients without the sender's knowledge in multitudes of ways. The answer will be true. Unlike humans, artificial intelligence machines are not creative and cannot imagine some new ideas. Unlike humans, artificial intelligence machines are not creative and cannot imagine some new ideas. The answer will be false. ከሰባት ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ የታማኝነት ጻፉልን። እኔ ያው ሰባት ከሰባት ነው የመጣሁት። Here is an explanation. ኤክስፕላኔሽኖቹ እዚህ ላይ አድርገንላችኋል። ሶ ጀስት ዲቴል ለማየት ሞክሩ። ወደ መልቲፕል ቾይስ እንሄዳለን። Which one of the following is not an application of AIoT? Which one of the following is not an application of AIoT? A. Smart device. B. Smart agriculture or connected car. C. Human automation. D. None. Which one of the following is not an application of AIoT? A. Smart device. B. Smart agriculture or connected car. C. Human automation. D. None. The answer will be, what will be the answer? ሶስተኛ ላይ ደርሰናል። Allowed medical surgery to look at patient while they see an overlay an example of. Allowed medical surgery to look at patient while they see an overlay an example of. A. Virtual reality. B. Augmented reality. C. Mixed reality. D. All. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer is B. Augmented reality. አራተኛ The Internet of Things operates at Planck scale. The Internet of Things operates at Planck scale. A. Machine, B. Human, C. Device, D. Sensory. A. Machine, B. Human, C. Device, D. Sensor. What will be the answer? The answer is device. አምስተኛ ይደርሰናል። Which one of the following is true advantage of augmented reality? A. Cloud computing, B. Hybrid reality, C. High speed, D. None. A. Cloud computing, B. Hybrid reality, C. High speed, D. None. The answer is D. None is the best answer. ስድስተኛ ላይ ደርሰናል። Planck requires innovative forms of information processing to draw insights, automate process, and help decision making. A. Car, B. High speed, C. Big data, D. All. The answer is C. Big data is the best answer. ሰባተኛ Which one of the following is main purpose of the sensing layer is to identify any phenomena in the device peripheral and obtain data from the real world? A. Sensing layer, B. Layer, C. Big data, D. All. What will be the answer? Big data or sensing layer? The answer is sensing layer. ስምንተኛ Which one of the following is responsible for measuring the change in movement and orientation of an IoT device? A. Actuator, B. Accelerometer, C. Motion sensor, D. GPS sensor. The answer is measuring the movement ነው የሚለው አይደል? B ነው C? ኦልሬዲ ሙቭመንት ሲል ወይ ኦር ሞሽን ነገር ይኖራል ኦር ሰምቲንግ ሜዠር መደረግ ያለበት ነገር አለ አይደል? ሶ what will be the answer? The answer is B. ዘጠነኛ Which of the following is an example of augmented reality experience? A. Autonomous car, B. Pokemon Go, C. HoloLens, D. Virtual reality. The answer is autonomous car ነው ወይ ምንድን ነው the answer? The answer will be B. Pokemon Go is the best answer. አስረኛ Which one of the following alternative is correct about digital privacy? A. The information collected and used must be provided only for a clear purpose and authorized use. B. Information collected will not be used for any purpose unless authorized or anonymized. C. Information collected will be maintained by ensuring the interests of the individual and business are protected. D. All of the above. The answer will be D is the best answer. 11ኛ ከመጀመራችሁ በፊት ከ10 ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ በታማኝነት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልን። እንዲሁም በመሃል ያሉ ኤክስፕላኔሽኖች ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ ለመስራት ሞክሩ። ቢኮዝ እኛ ታይም ዌስት ላለማድረግ ኦር ቪዲዮ ላለማድረግ ስንል ነው ዲፕ የሆነ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ያልሰጠነው። ሶ ፖዝ ያደረጋችሁ በደንብ ብታነቡት ሞር ኢንፎርሜሽን አክሰስ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Which one of the following is false about IoT? IoT consists of a device that an actuator which is connected to the internet. B. IoT consists of a GAN-GANic network of internet connected with things and device. C. IoT device unclear possible internet human body to sensor. D. IoT device require human help to transfer data over a network. The answer will be D is the best answer. 12ኛ Both augmented reality and mixed reality process digital content and real world element. Which one of the following statement is true? A. AR overlay digital information on real world element. B. AR is the emerging of a real and virtual world to produce new environment. AMR allow you to see and interact personally in the digital world. D. AR keeps the real world central but interacts it with other digital element. The answer will be D. 13ኛ in which of the following case individual privacy is breached? A. A company or business has made personally identifiable information public. B. The client message and record being compromised and leaked. C. Data concerning a personal preferences leaked. D. The user is interrupted by receiving unwanted leads in emails. The answer will be D is the best answer. 14ኛ IoT features transform standard privacy networks of devices into an active system capable of real-world integration. A. Connectivity. B. Sensors. C. Active engagement. D. AI. The answer will be sensors. 15ኛ A types of technology in which users are visually isolated from the real environment. Types of technology in which users are visually isolated from the real environment. A. Visual reality. B. Augmented reality. C. Mixed reality. D. Augmented virtuality. The answer is A. Virtual reality. 16ኛ Use the following IoT layer is a user-centric layer that executes various tasks for the users. A. Data processing layer. B. Network layer. C. Application layer. D. Sensor layer. The answer will be C. Application layer is the best answer. 17ኛ Choose the following best fit augmented reality. A. A technology that turns physical objects into digital objects. B. Technology that overlay digital information on top of real world items. C. Technology that completely immerse users in a new digital environment. D. Technology that can achieve a human level understanding of the image. The answer will be B is the best answer. 18ኛ Ababa sends a secured message for Alami to digitally and Warko access this message without their permission, which privacy is compromised. Ababa sends a secured message for Alami to digitally and Warko access this message without their permission, which privacy is compromised. A. Information privacy. B. Individual privacy. C. Communication privacy. D. None. The answer is what is the answer? ምንድን ነው የሚለው ገብታችኋል? ሲናሪዮ አበበ ለአለሚቱ ሴኩር የሆነ ሜሴጅ ላከላት። ወርቁ ደግሞ ያንን ሜሴጅ ከነሱ ፍቃድ ውጪ አገኘው። ሶ የትኛው ነው ብሪች የተደረገ ነው? ኢንዲቪጁዋል ፕራይቬሲ ነው? ኢንፎርሜሽን ፕራይቬሲ ነው? ኮሚኒኬሽን ፕራይቬሲ ነው? The answer is C. Communication privacy. Yeah. The answer is C. 19ኛ The following is not true about artificial intelligence. A. It is about the copy of something natural. B. It exists when a human can have machine-based skills. C. It is a creation of intelligent machines which can behave like a human. D. It deals with the area of developing computing systems that are capable of performing tasks that humans are very good at. The answer is B. B is the best answer. Hanya. Which one of the following is not the advantage of AI? Which one of the following is not the advantage of AI? A. High accuracy with fewer error. B. High reliability. C. Increased dependency on machine. D. Digital assistant. Which one of the following is not advantage of AI? AI advantage ነው የትኛው ነው? A. High accuracy with fewer error. B. High reliability. C. Increased dependency on machine. D. Digital assistant. The answer is C. Increased dependency on machine. It's the best answer. 21ኛ ከመጀመራችሁ በፊት ከ20 ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ በታማኝነት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልን። ትሩ ፎልሱንም ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ በታማኝነት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ እንድጽፉልን በአክብሮት እንጠይቃለን። ያው እኔ 20 ነው የመጡት። ሶ ይሄን ካየን ከ20 ስንት እንዳመጣችሁ ከጻፋችሁልኝ እንዲሁም ትሩ ፎልስንም ከስንት እንዳመጣችሁ ከጻፋችሁልኝ let give you some additional bonus questions. 21ኛ which augmented reality system architecture was designed for displaying the result? Which augmented reality system architecture was designed for dispensing the result? A. Processing unit. B. Infrastructure track unit. C. Visual unit. D. All. The answer is, what will be the answer? The answer is C. Visual unit ነው አይደል? Yeah. 22ኛ identify wrong statement about augmented reality. A. It is users to existing environment and overlaying information on top of it. B. It is fully immersive. C. It allows users to overlay computer generated virtual content in the real world object. D. It adds digital element to a live view often by using the camera. The answer is B. 23ኛ which one is incorrect as the number of connected devices increased in AIoT? A. The likelihood that hacker could steal confidential information also increased. B. Information sharing along with connected AIoT device also increased. C. It's difficult for IoT devices to communicate with each other. D. Collecting and managing the data of IoT device will be challenging. The answer is C is the best answer. የዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ይህን ይመስል ነበረ። በቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስክንገናኝ ድረስ ለቤተሰባችን አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ እንዲሁም ያላችሁ ማንኛውም አስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልን። የእናንተ የዛሬ አስተያየት የነገኛ ስራ ነውና ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ መደረጉ እንዳይረሳ። ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ። ሰላም